Outlaw Run is Silver Dollar City's fastest and highest roller coaster. It's also the first and only wooden coaster in the world with double barrel rolls. It cost $10 million to build and opened in 2013. Reaching speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, the 2,937-foot long track includes a 162-foot drop and has a ride time of just under a minute and a half. They say this is one of a kind when it was built, so let's go check it out. If you haven't ridden this one yet, you have to ride it the next time you visit the park. If you want to see more rides from Silver Dollar City, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Check out Time Traveler next by clicking the link shown here. Until next time, be safe and remember, have fun, let's travel.